So this session is a quick 2-minute morning neck stretch. So you're going to bring one hand behind your lower back with the back of the hand towards the body, and then take a hold of the opposite arm. Those fingertips can stay down to the ground, and then you're going to lean away from that shoulder. Think about the shoulder pressing down and away from you. From there, you're going to turn the head down, tuck the chin slightly. Keep the shoulder pressing away. And then slowly up, look up and change the angle the other way. And again down. And again up. And then back to center. Release the grip of that hand. We're going to bring the shoulder up to the ear and then down and away, leaning away from it. Again, bringing it all the way up, leaning away, and then taking a little massage on that shoulder. Going right down from the base of the neck to the top of the neck. Good, same the other side. So the hand goes behind the lower back, takes a hold of the upper arm on the opposite side, and then you're leaning away from that bent arm, fingertips down on the straight arm. Good, again, chin can tuck. And then slowly moving to look up. Think about the shoulder pressing away. And again, chin tucking. And turning to look up. And then we go back through center. Release the grip. Shoulder moves in and out. Again, crunching right the way in and out. And then again, using your hands to help massage the top of the shoulder and all the way up the neck. Good, well done.